Hi beautiful people, welcome back to my channel. It's your girl Stacy. On today's video, I don't want to be talking too much. I just want to go straight to the point and show you guys how I did this long knotless braid on myself. I did it myself on my head, so I want to feel how you guys always feel. Okay, if you like content like this, please do not hesitate to like this video, subscribe to my channel, and let me know, grade my braids in the comment section below. Okay, so first of all, what you need is your shine jam. Yeah, you can watch the rest of the video, it's self-explanatory. And if you don't understand, please go down in the on my channel. There are so many videos on my channel showing you guys how to do knotless braids. So by this time around, I'm doing it on myself so that I can see or feel how you guys feel. Normally my hair is not short. My hair wasn't short this morning, so I had cornrows on my hair, which I always keep for like a month, and then the devil visited me. I undo the cornrows. Instead of me to detangle the hair before washing my hair, I actually just went to the shower and started washing my hair without detangling it, so it became frizzy. I had to cut the hair. So yeah, for the past 4 years, this is my first time doing braids on my head. So when I came to China, there wasn't anyone doing my hair. I was the one doing my own hair. But since I started making wigs and all of that, I stopped doing things like this until I discovered that knotless braids are not painful and all of that. So I decided to try it on my own head, since I always do it on my clients. So let me leave you guys to enjoy the rest of the video, and please let me know, grade my hair from 1 to 10. What do you think? And also, if you have any other style which you want me to try on my hair, please kindly let me know in the comment section below. Thank you, and see you in my next video. Bye. How much I've done. 4 hours.
Hopefully tomorrow will finish it early in the morning, then do my makeup and then show you guys how it looks like. So let's meet tomorrow. I'm so tired and I feel like I'm very, very hungry right now. But it's too late for me to eat. What's the time? It's too late. Yeah, this is 12 midnight and I started like 10 a.m. Because I was doing it and doing other things. By the way, if I was doing it on somebody's head, it will probably take me, let's say, 5 hours. But since I'm doing it on my head, giving the hair myself and all of that, it's taking me this long, and I'm also doing other things, distracting myself. Let's say if I was just doing only the hair without doing any other things, I would take like 7 hours or so, or 8, let's say so. But since I've been doing other things, it's not easy. So you guys also let me know what you think.
I'm done. Let me show you guys. Alright guys, alright, I know it's so dark now, but this is what we achieved. So guys, this is what I achieved. Yes, I'm wearing black again. I don't know why I keep on wearing black, but this is the only reason why I did the hairstyle. So wait, what do you all think? I don't know if I will take pictures during the day.